The new BYD Shark 6 is a masterpiece of automotive innovation, blending cutting-edge technology with a sleek, futuristic design. The interior is a testament to modern craftsmanship, offering a seamless combination of luxury, comfort, and advanced functionality. Every detail inside the vehicle has been meticulously crafted to provide an unparalleled driving experience, making it an exceptional choice for those who demand excellence in every aspect of their ride. Upon stepping inside, the first thing that captures attention is the premium quality of materials. The cabin is wrapped in high-end synthetic leather, exuding an aura of sophistication while ensuring durability. The seats are ergonomically designed, offering exceptional lumbar support for long drives. The spacious layout ensures that both the driver and passengers experience utmost comfort, with ample legroom and a well-thought-out arrangement that enhances convenience. The ambient lighting system further elevates the atmosphere, providing a refined touch that transforms every journey into an enjoyable experience. The dashboard is dominated by a state-of-the-art 15.6-inch rotatable touchscreen infotainment system, offering seamless connectivity and an intuitive interface. This system integrates navigation, climate control, entertainment, and vehicle settings, making it the central hub for the driver. Complementing this is a fully digital 10.25-inch instrument cluster that provides real-time vehicle diagnostics, speed, fuel efficiency, and navigation prompts, ensuring that the driver remains informed without unnecessary distractions. The audio experience inside the BYD Shark 6 is nothing short of exceptional, thanks to its premium 12-speaker Dynaudio system. Whether playing music, taking calls, or using voice commands, the sound quality is crystal clear, enhancing the overall in-car experience. Wireless charging pads, along with multiple USB-A and USB-C ports, ensure that all devices remain powered throughout the journey. The inclusion of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto guarantees a smooth connection between the car and the driver's smartphone, enabling easy access to apps, messages, and calls. Safety is a cornerstone of the BYD Shark 6, with a comprehensive suite of features designed to protect both passengers and pedestrians. The vehicle is equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and collision avoidance technology. The structure of the car has undergone rigorous crash tests, ensuring it meets global safety standards. Its reinforced chassis provides maximum impact resistance, while strategically placed crumple zones absorb energy to minimize damage in case of a collision. Airbags are deployed in multiple areas, including front, side, and curtain positions, ensuring complete protection in the event of an accident. The braking system includes anti-lock brakes, electronic stability control, and emergency braking assistance, enhancing overall safety. The vehicle has performed exceptionally well in impact tests, proving its robustness in real-world scenarios. The BYD Shark 6 is not just a vehicle, it is a statement of innovation, safety, and luxury. Every aspect has been designed to cater to the needs of modern drivers, ensuring that it stands out in a competitive market. This vehicle is built for those who appreciate excellence and refuse to compromise on quality. Like, share, and spread the word about this incredible new innovation.